Welcome to Retire Too Soon, and today we got a little project on the Dodge, or I should say, for the Dodge. So a few days ago I picked up a topper for the Dodge, 8 foot. The roof is, I'll say it's more considered a mid roof topper. It's not flat, it's not the high. So, but on here, got home, it rained, and I noticed that the side windows are leaking. So today's little project, or might be more than one day, because I don't got much time, is to remove the side windows, and I got some bugle tape that I'm gonna hopefully sew it up with. And then I'm also gonna take down the headliner and stuff because I want to clean it up a little bit. Alright, tool you're gonna need these. Bring it right position. The size is a 1/4, so go all the way around. Leave one in the center, top center, and then you need someone on the outside so the glass doesn't fall and break. Alright, let's start taking the screws out. You're gonna want to leave one in and have someone on the outside and help you take the window out so it doesn't break. Once you remove the window, you want to clean up everything. Looks like the previous owner put sealant on it, so I gotta clean all this off and then run my tape along the edge right here to sew it up. And I might do the same and run a layer of sealant on the outside. Sorry, let me get the tape on and get everything clean. Here's the tape I'm using, got it on Amazon. You want to start at the bottom and work your way around. So the cut part where it joins together is at the very bottom. Once you got it along the edge all the way around with the overlap right here at the bottom, then you're ready to reinstall the window again. I had to, of course it's coming off right now. I'll reposition this before I put it on. I stretched it out a little too thin right here, so I doubled it up. So, but just make sure the gas hits on there. And then when you tighten it down, it will compress and stay where it needs to be. And I didn't do it, but what's recommended is you put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours, and also keep your hands, your fingers and stuff, wet so it doesn't stick to you. So make it a little bit easier. So, all right, let's reinstall it. to start, make sure you get the corners. So it sucks it in on both sides. Center, and make sure the overlap on the bottom. Where is it? Oh, right there. Overlap on the bottom is overlapped. Get all the screws in, make sure you don't miss any of them. Shouldn't have any extra parts. I ripped off the carpet on the edge so I can finish cleaning it out. And then you want to make sure on the outside you have a good seal way around. I think it'll be a lot easier if you apply the tape on the edge all the way around and then push the window onto it. Just make sure it doesn't slide down. I think that might be a lot easier. I plan on doing the other side, so I'll try that, see if it makes it easier. And once you check the seal and stuff, you either wait till it rains, or I would at least wait 24 hours. I don't know if you have to wait with the tape at all, but I would wait at least 24 hours and run some water on it and see if you have any leaks. Alright, doing it this way seems a lot easier outside of going around, my phone's dying, going around the bends. But I think once I pull off the outer tape, reposition it, it should make it really easy to put it on. And of course, overlap it on the bottom. So, alright, hopefully this side turns out a lot better. Alright, sorry my phone died. So remember how I said earlier in the video that you should have 2 people so you don't break it? Well, when I went to go install the passenger side one, the one I did second, yeah, I went to go put the brace on and it fell over, but good thing it was on the trailer. So the trailer caught it, so it didn't break the glass. So what it looks like, I mean, I'm not too happy about it. You know, it could be a lot better, maybe using more of a liquid would have been easier. I'll probably still go with maybe RTV or some type of sealant, go around the edges to make sure it doesn't leak. But don't be afraid to try stuff. You know, you can't learn unless you make mistakes. Unfortunately, that's how life is. So if you don't try, you'll never find out. So, alright. Well, I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So, do what you guys gotta do. Punch, click, smash, hit that subscribe button. There's gonna be a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.